monthly, no? And then for OVP, it's 2,000 plus. And we understand that the defense is soliciting marking on separate document, which means parehas yung exhibits namin. Nevertheless, the position of the defense is to have their own marking in their separate set of documents. So you can imagine how time-consuming is this? Magkakaroon ng comparison of document before marking, one for the prosecution and next for the defense.
Can you estimate up to what extent bibilis sana yung proseso kung sakaling pumayag yung defense panel na yung common evidence sabay nang i-verify or sabay nang i-mark?
Well, for the common evidence, it will be half the time, which will be dedicated to the common exhibits for separate marking, no? Kasi ang nangyari doon, separate yung presentation and marking for the prosecution, papakita kay defense, patatatakan sa impeachment court, pepermahan ng prosecution defense at saka ng impeachment court. So yung prosesong yun, uulitin mo uli pagdating dun sa defense, notwithstanding the fact that you are talking about exactly the same document, no? So na-double yung time. So if they will agree na isang document lang, ibig sabihin isang examination lang, no? Isang permahan lang. So that will be, as to the time which will be spent, it will be diminished by half the time which is actually being spent when marking common exhibit but separate documents.
Meron kaming way of marking, hindi ba? And I think that's well within the prerogative of the defense how we want our documents to be marked. But to give you an example, a very concrete example, kanina may insidente na may isang may document ang prosecution, may document ang defense. Reportedly, it's the same document, obviously, pero kulang ng isang page yung version ng prosecution. So, doon namin gustong ipakita kung bakit kailangan minamark namin yung sarili naming ebidensya. Kasi even if it's supposedly the same document, kulang ng isang page yung sa prosecution. Sa amin, meron kami ng page na yun. So, importante rin yun talaga, no, na para sa amin, mamarkahan namin yung sarili naming dokumento. I don't know if Attorney CJ would also like to add on to that.
So if a document has the markings, if we're supposed to be bringing home our documents. So we don't want the documents bearing the marking to be with the prosecution demand, diba? So we also have documents that have bear the different annotations. So paano pag ganun? Ang gusto kasi ng prosecution is that all their documents be marked. Paano naman kami? 'Di ba? Nasa kanila lang yung documents namin. This is not different from regular trial. The parties always have the option to mark their own documents. The court never says no to that. This is just an administrative matter. And in fact, pag pumunta sa trial, bibilis to. Kasi pwede namin sabihin, yung exhibit, for example lang, exhibit 1-A namin, kami na maglalabas. Hindi na namin hihingin sa kanila. Tapos sabihin nila, hindi namin nadala. Sorry. Diba?
So for the defense, hindi po option yun. Hindi ka sabi lang isa ang markahan na lang.
Hindi po option. Because as we said, like for example, a very concrete example nga this morning is nagkaroon ng discrepancy yung document namin sa document nila kahit na iisa lang. No? Yung sa itsura, iisa lang yung dokumento. But when you turn the page, nagkulang ng isang page yung sa kanila. And we're not faulting the prosecution. We're just saying that yun yung reality. That's why we prefer that we mark our own pieces of evidence.